Tacloban City is a port city approximately 360 miles southeast of Manila. It is the first in Eastern Visayas to be classified as a highly urbanized city. It is the capital of the Philippine province of Leyte and is the largest city in terms of population in Eastern Visayas. It is also considered as a regional center of Region 8. Tacloban was briefly the seat of the Philippine Commonwealth Government from October 20, 1944 to February 27, 1945. Their history came about this way. Tacloban was a small fishing village, a barrio of Basay Samar. The word Tacloban evolved from Taclob, a basket-like contraption for catching fish. It became a major trading town in the late 18th century. The city is well known for its role in World War II, being a major base for the U.S. forces and the first town liberated by Douglas MacArthur's forces from the Japanese Imperial Forces. For a time, it served as the capital of the Philippines while Manila was under the control of the Japanese. For several decades, Tacloban was a barrio of Basay Samar. At the time, the place was known as Can Cabatok, meaning belonging to Cabatok, because its most prominent inhabitant was named Cabatok. The change of name came about in this manner. Can Cabatok was a favorite hunt for fishermen. They would use bamboo tray called taklub to catch crabs or shrimps. When asked where they were going, the fishermen would answer, to Tarakloban, which meant the place where they used taklub to catch crabs. Later, the name was shortened to Tacloban. I welcome you to come see the rest of